Welcome to Full On Bar. In this video, we walk through the customer invoices to receipts cycle in Info LN 10.8. From posting the customer invoice to clearing the cash on your bank, you will see every session, every status, and the postings each step creates. This is a financial half of order to cash. Invoice to receipt is the financial half of order to cash. It begins when the customer invoice is posted and ends when the cash is reconciled on your bank statement. In Info LN, this cycle lives in invoicing, accounts receivable, and cash management. Get it right and your day's sales outstanding stays healthy. 5 stations carry the cash from invoice to bank. Compose and post the invoice. Track the AR open entry through aging. Receive the customer payment in cash management. Assign that payment to the right open invoice. And reconcile every bank statement line. Each station has its own LN session and its own GL impact. 4 receipt types cover every scenario. An allocated receipt is when the customer references the invoices being paid. An unallocated receipt is cash without remittance, parked on a clearing account. An advance prepayment arrives before any invoice exists. And an on-account receipt is excess cash held as a customer credit until the next sale. Watch the status flow carefully. Confirmed becomes posted when the invoice is composed. Posted becomes open in the AR subledger. Open becomes allocated when a receipt is assigned. Allocated becomes closed when the entry is zeroed out. And closed becomes reconciled once the bank statement matches. 5 hops to clean cash. 6 postings cover every scenario. Invoice posting hits AR, revenue and tax. An allocated receipt clears AR against bank. An unallocated receipt parks on a clearing account until matched. The assignment then clears the clearing balance. Cash discounts post to discount allowed. And foreign exchange differences land in realized FX gain or loss. 6 disciplines protect your cash velocity. Post invoices the same day as a billing event. Automate dunning so reminders fire on schedule. Clear unallocated receipts every week. Reconcile the bank every day. Require approval for any write-off. And always validate tax codes before posting because wrong tax breaks reconciliation later. Thank you for watching. Visit Full On Bar to access training, the knowledge repository, and certification programs. Connect on LinkedIn and YouTube.